In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Attom Data API in Lovable to fetch property values by zip code and display them on front-end cards. We'll go through the full flow in a simple, practical way, starting with account setup and ending with real estate data showing up in your interface. The goal here is to make sure Lovable can securely access the API, retrieve the right property information based on a zip code, and then present that data clearly on your front end. First, register on the Attom Data developer portal and obtain your API key. This key is what allows your app to authenticate with the Attom Data service and request property data. As you go through registration, make sure you're using the correct developer area and that you copy the API key carefully once it's available. Since this key is sensitive, treat it like a password and avoid placing it directly into front-end code or sharing it in prompts or screenshots. Next, save your API key as Attom API key inside Lovable's secrets or environment variables settings. This is an important security step because it keeps the key protected on the backend instead of exposing it publicly in the browser. When you add the variable, double check that the name matches exactly. Attom/API key. Even small differences in spelling or capitalization can cause your backend function to fail when it tries to read the value. After saving it, it's a good idea to confirm the secret is stored properly before moving on. Now prompt Lovable with this instruction: create a backend edge function that calls Attom Data API to fetch property values based on zip code input. This tells Lovable to generate a backend function that accepts a zip code, sends a request to the Attom Data API, and returns the relevant property value data. The key reason for using a backend edge function is security and control. Your API key stays protected and the front end only talks to your own backend layer rather than directly to the external service. Once that backend function is in place, bind the fetched real estate property payloads directly onto front-end card components. In other words, take the returned data and connect it to the UI elements that will display each property's information. Make sure the card components are mapped to the correct fields from the payload so the values shown are accurate and easy to read. If needed, keep the layout clean and consistent so users can quickly understand the results for the zip code they entered. That's the full process. Get the API key, store it securely in Lovable, generate the backend edge function, and bind the returned property data to your front-end cards. Once these pieces are connected properly, you'll have a smooth property value lookup experience powered by Attom Data inside Lovable.